Hey and welcome to my video on how to rename a WordPress website with SEO in mind. And in a moment, I'm even going to show you a neat little trick that you can do to rank your homepage on Google with SEO keywords. Now, if we take a look at Backlinko, which is the #1 source for everything SEO related, if we take a look at a Google search for Backlinko, you will see that he's ranking his site title and a string of keywords that he wants to rank for. And how he does this, it might be with Yoast, but for example, if we take a look at my page, I am using SEO for Stark Expand, and Google will not necessarily take what you write in your SEO title with Yoast and display it on Google. Because if we search for my site, Stark Expand, you will see my site title and something else. So how to fix this? As you can see, the site title is only my Stark Expand and I have no tagline. So how can we achieve this? We will go into our testing site, which is Roasted Coffee Club, and we will set everything up for you by going into the WordPress dashboard, and we will go into settings and general. Here you will just remove the entire tagline. You will not need it. Some people may say that this is super important. I will argue, don't worry about that. Type in your site title and go down and click save. Next up, we will go to our pages, and here is the neat little trick. You will treat your homepage and pages exactly like any SEO post. And in an SEO post, you will type the keyword that you want to rank for in your title. And this is exactly what we will do for our homepage as well. So for example, if we would say that we want to rank for 2 keywords, which is coffee home delivery, and for example, coffee beans, you need to check this, of course, beforehand, what type of keywords you want to rank for. You click update your page and check your site. Now you should be all set, but one issue occurs, and that is that your homepage link in your menu has become a long string with your keywords. So we need to fix that by going into customize, and we need to go down to the menu. Click your main menu, and for your home page, rename your navigation label just to home, and this will fix this little small issue. Click publish and check out your site, and now everything should be configured with SEO in mind. But stay tuned, because in the next video I will show you how to add SEO keywords in your WordPress website.